Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to focus on how to change image color in Canva. And right now, I'm currently inside Canva and I have a few designs for you for this one. So before we get started, just want to let you know that I am using a paid subscription plan. If you have the free trial, just use the one that doesn't have the crowns right there, and you'll be good to go. So next up, what are the ways on how to do this one? Before we dive into the ways, I'm going to show you how it normally works. So I have a graphic right here, right? Let me just enlarge that one for you guys. Perfect. So normally, in some graphics or some designs, there should be a color palette right there, where you can change the color directly, as you can see right here. Now that's gonna be not in everyone's suggestions. For example, if I select this one, and I added a different graphic for this, let's just go for this cute little fox right there. Let me just sit beside this one. And you'll notice for the fox, it doesn't have the colors. Not unlike the frog right there, it does have the colors. So that's gonna be via Canva itself. It depends on the graphics and the creators of these graphics. However, I'm gonna show you two workarounds for this one to change the colors of any graphics, PNG, JPEG, or any images you add in Canva, may it be import or export. Now, the first workaround would be this. Let me just go here. As you can see, this doesn't have a color changer, right? So the first workaround will be selecting the image first, make sure it's selected, and then click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're gonna see under effects section, there is gonna be duotone options. With this one, it will apply so much colors. Some of them are nice, some of them are not a little nice though. However, it doesn't really matter which one you pick here, they're just presets or templates if you may. For example, I'm just gonna select Amber right there. Now, under Amber, you're going to see two options, highlights and shadows. So this is the first part. You can adjust this however you want. First, you can enter your personal hex code for that one that you can search up the internet. Or just personally check this one right there. As you can see, I am currently changing the color of one part of the image. And then for the shadows, if you want to change this one, for example, go a little bit more on the violet side, purple, and there we have it. We have successfully changed the color for this one. It's not the same as this one right there, I know, but it's still close as we can get. Alright? And the difference for this one, as you can see, to fully appreciate it, let me just duplicate this one right there. Like that, and change the background color to white, and then you can fully appreciate the color. And this is the original color, by the way. If you really want to see it, let me just go on elements for that one, click here, and then set them side by side. As you can see right there, I have successfully fully changed the color. Now let me just delete that slide right there, so it won't be really confusing. So we have this one. I already also made this one for you guys, and also this one's actually the same, because for the second method, we're gonna utilize this example. So basically for the second method, again, I don't have the color options. So what I'm going to do right here is click on edit. Now once I'm in edit right there, what I'm going to do instead of going to duotone, I'm going to go straightly to adjust. Now what can I have in adjust? So first thing, under temperature, you can change the color right there. For the tint, you can change it. Now if you want to go back on the original image, of course, it's really free. Select the original image. Go back and edit, go and adjust, and then change the temperature as you see fit. Again guys, this is going to be depending on your own preference. Alright? So if you want it a little bit more dark, a little bit more high in temperature, that depends on you. On the lower section, you can have this one wherein it will pick up the color of your document. Now for example, you have multiple colors. You have a background color for that one. Let me just change this. Let me just add that color right there. And add some more elements to here. Let me just add a shape so I can really show you how it works in different colors. And with that one right there, and duplicate it. Add this one for another color, or let's just go for this one. And then right now, if I click on edit, click on adjust, right now it pick up two colors. This is what I mean. Even though that it doesn't pick up all of the colors I've added, it still gives you two options. So for the majority of this, you can choose one of each and just adjust the tint, the saturation, the brightness, and basically for the second one, you can adjust it as you see fit. As you can see right here, originally it's gonna be an original color of a fox sitting beside each other. Let me just fix this one for you guys. And perfectly right there, I successfully added the color one more time without even having a problem with not having the color option on the top section. Actually, this one right there has it. It has an easy way. For the workaround, it's still good. And if you're gonna ask me, the flexibility of this one is endless. It's depending on your perspective and how skilled you are in colors. Not unlike this one, you can only have a few choices. I know that you can still go to edit, change the duotone, go to adjust. By comparing it, you can still go here and basically have your way on colors. So let's try another example using this second feature. Right here, I'm gonna utilize the text option. So let me just choose one of each for this one. I'm gonna go with this, I think. I love this one. Then apply a background, just for the sake of the discussion. I think this is good enough. How about this one? Do you like this? Let's go with this one. Alright, so I'm gonna just change the color for this. Click on edit, go to adjust, lower it down, and you're gonna pick up that color. So you can adjust this one to your own liking, adjust the saturation, or even adjust the brightness. That's gonna be depending on your own preference, alright? As you can see right here, I can adjust it all the way here. Perfect, right? Even though I don't have the color option on the top choices. So basically, those are the features, the workaround, if you don't have this option right there. Again, just a recap. First thing, go to edit, and you have duotone. For the next one, go to adjust and have your way with this one. Have fun with it rather. And you can not just adjust the color. You can adjust the texture, the light, the temperature, or the whole image, the foreground, or the background. There is also an AI for this one where you can auto adjust. Anyway, I have a video about Canva discussing all of the important features about it, so please check it out. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.